Hi, I'm going to make banana bread, and I need oat flour. And they want like $5, $6 a pound for oat flour, so I'm going to make my own. I have some steel cuts oats here. It's really grainy, and I'm going to put it in a coffee grinder. It's a Cuisinart coffee grinder, and I'm just going to push the button and grind it. Oh, excuse the phone, but I'm going to grind it for about 20 seconds, 30 seconds. I like to start and stop it so it can lift up and down. And now you have your soft flour. Okay? And that's how to make the oat flour and save a ton of money. Thank you for visiting the link. Subscribe if you like what you heard and want to know more and want to see more videos. Thank you.